Today, it's all about the food. We're still in Pittsburgh, and today we're going to show you what we ate during our 2-day visit. From coffee to ice cream, local faves to Polish comfort food, this is our DIY food tour of the City of Bridges. We're Stephen and Andie, and we started a travel vlog back home in California at a time when we couldn't really travel.
Now we're making our way around the U.S., discovering amazing places that somehow escaped our radar until only recently.
Smoke's coming out, it looks legit! Hello again from Pittsburgh. If you saw our last video, we gave you a tour of the city with our friends who were born and raised here, so we got a great locals perspective. Today, it's all about the food. You may already know that we're staying in the Lawrenceville neighborhood of Pittsburgh. Now, we're across the river in Millvale, and we're starting our food tour at P&G Pamela's Diner. Let's check it out. This place is famous for its hotcakes, so of course we had to try them. Look at how thin these are. They're almost like crepes. The edges are crispy, and then it's light and fluffy from there. Oh my God, I've never had pancakes like this.
Okay, I'm keeping it simple. I just got a grilled cheese, but our waitress tells us the grilled cheese here is the best. So we went and added tomato and onion to this, and it's gonna be awesome, I have a feeling. This place is really cool. It's a classic diner now, but it used to be a pharmacy. Now we're in the Strip District. We've got two things we want to do here, and the first one is coffee. You knew that was coming, right?
We're at Allegheny Coffee and Tea Exchange. The really cool thing about this place is they roast in-house in small batches. All right, this place is known for its nitro cold brews, which are on tap, of course, so that's what we went for.
Yeah, I got something, it's called Heart of Darkness, and it's a dark roast, and there's some notes of chocolate, supposedly.
And I got the We Come from France, which has French vanilla and creme brulee flavors in it.
And that's rich. Bold flavor, nice little hint of chocolate, really nice balance, love it.
When we were looking for an ice cream place to try in Pittsburgh, we found Klavon's, and immediately that was our choice, because we read that they had recently increased their starting pay to $15 an hour, and they told Business Insider they haven't seen any negative impact on their bottom line. We love supporting businesses that support their employees.
We got mint chocolate chip. You could probably guess what that tastes like.
Another cool thing we read about Klavon's is that they have a marking on the back wall that shows how high the water reached during the St. Patrick's Day flood of 1936.
We're in Pittsburgh's South Side for dinner, and heads up if you're out here, a lot of places are closed on Monday and Tuesday, and today happens to be Tuesday. So a lot of the places that Walter and Caitlin wanted to take us to are closed. But we found this place, it's open, and the menu looks awesome.
Day 2, we are back in Lawrenceville. This is where our Airbnb is, and we're gonna grab a coffee to start the day. Later on today, we're really excited to finally get some Polish food. And being Polish myself, I'm really looking forward to this. So Stephen went inside to order for us, and while I was waiting out here, a woman who was enjoying her drink outside was telling me that she is kind of a coffee snob, self-proclaimed, I'm not calling her that. She said this is easily probably the best coffee in the city. We just happened upon it because it's in the neighborhood where our Airbnb is, so looks like we lucked out, and now I'm really excited to try it. The only problem is, I asked Steven to get me an iced tea. So I guess I'm gonna have to try his coffee now.
All right, ready to start our day.
Okay, so I just met a woman who said this was probably the best coffee in town, so I need you to taste yours and tell me what you think.
Okay. That is really delicious. I just got a straight up drip, and it's no joke. It's really strong, dark roast. I'm digging it. All right, we have been looking forward to having some Polish food in Pittsburgh since we started planning this trip. This place is on a lot of the best of lists that we've been looking at, and it's called Out Pierogis. They were closed yesterday when it was Tuesday and everything else was closed, but they're open today, and we are psyched to go inside and try some pierogies. Okay, we got the pierogi with potato and sauerkraut, and this is halushka, which is noodles with onions and cabbage. And they just brought us a sample of their dessert pierogi, which looks incredible. And we can't wait to get into all of this.
Okay, I'm gonna try the halushki first. My mom makes this, and I love it. So let's see how this one compares. Really thick noodles. My mom makes it usually with a thinner noodle, like a wide but thin noodle. These are really thick, hearty noodles. It's gonna be good. Excellent flavor. Lots of butter, pepper, and then just the flavors of the onion and the cabbage all coming together. It's comfort food, straight out of Poland.
I've been looking forward to this. Let's get into something. Get a little onion. That's fantastic. Just the right amount of sauerkraut inside. Sets off the onion on the outside a little bit. Crispy on the outside. Super soft on the inside, and the potato is amazing. This is a really nice balance.
That was good.
Be forewarned though, it was delicious, but we realized a couple bites in just how much butter they use in there.
It was drowning in it.
A lot.
And if you're like me and you really like sauerkraut, the pierogi were just a little bit shy on it. They had a little bit, but it was just a hint. It was mostly potato, so it could have used just a touch more for my taste. But still, very satisfying. We got our Polish fix, and we're very happy about that.
Awesome.
While checking out Randyland, we managed to work up a bit of a sweat, so it was definitely time for a cool afternoon snack.
It is really hot outside, and especially humid. So we think it's going to be an ice cream every day kind of trip here. We are at Happy Day Dessert Factory, and we got something called Stacker, which is custard on the bottom, shave ice in the middle, and custard on top. So we got chocolate, mango, and chocolate. We're going to check this out. That is awesome. Chocolate mango is the way to go. We saved the ultimate local favorite for last. We're at Primanti Bros, and as the story goes, back when this area was booming in the shipping heyday, the truck drivers weren't able to eat their side dishes or anything like that with two hands while they drove. So Primanti Bros came up with the idea of throwing everything into the sandwich they had. The fries, the coleslaw, everything went in there, so the drivers could just eat it with one hand. A lot of other places in different regions have tried that over the years, but Primanti Bros is the OG for that idea, and we are at the OG location that came up with that idea. All right, check this out. We've got a Southwest black bean burger here. This bread is so soft. I don't know if you can see that, but this is loaded with fresh cut homemade fries, vinegar-based coleslaw, lettuce, tomatoes. I think that's it. And provolone cheese. I don't know if you saw that.
Well, you guys, Pittsburgh is good eating.
It's amazing.
Oh my gosh, but I think I need some fresh fruit salad right now because it has been decadent. Anyway, as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.